Welcome my dear friend. Want to install and use Cloud AI on your Android phone the right way? In this complete 2026 guide, I'll show you every step from installing the app to setting up and using the best feature. Follow along and you are all be ready to starting in just a few minutes. So let's jump right in. First of all, install the app. To do that, open the Play Store. Use the search bar at the top. Here you can type Cloud AI. After the search result appear, find the official Cloud app, tap on it, then hit the install button and wait to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, simply you can find the open button, tap on it. In the menu, if you already sign in your account or trade account, simply log into it. Or if you not, you can try to sign up your account first. Once you are signing successfully, here you can see the 3-line menu icon at the top left corner. Tap on it and you can see various options such as new tabs, chat, project, or you can see your previous chat history listed there. You can type anything. For example, I am type subscribe. Then send it. And Cloud AI give a result for a very soon. It looked like your message got cut off. I only see subscribe with no other context. What would you like help with? And that's it. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Android tutorials and share your question below. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye guys.